So I tried the new Herbal Grow collection from Mane and Tail, and yeah. Headed into my local Target to find the new Herbal Grow collection from Mane and Tail. This collection includes the Herbal Grow shampoo, conditioner, leave-in cream, and spray therapy. Head to your local Target and get yours today. So this is what my hair is looking like before we get started. I'm gonna go in first with the new Mane and Tail Herbal Grow shampoo. This is the new line from Mane and Tail. It's made with olive oil and keratin. It's natural botanical blend for moisture and healthier growth. This shampoo had amazing lather, left my hair feeling clean and moisturized. And I'm gonna give this shampoo a 9 out of 10, only because this is my first time trying the line. So I'll be back with an updated review, but this is definitely top tier. Next, I'm going in with the Herbal Grow conditioner, also made with olive oil and keratin, natural botanical blend with natural shea butter. This conditioner had some great slip, as you can see. And I'm also giving the conditioner a 9 out of 10. After rinsing out, my hair was left silky, smooth, and ready for styling. Now for styling, we are going to do a flat twist and curl. So we're going in first with the Herbal Grow Spray Therapy. It says it's maximized shine, detangles, nourishes, and it's also a heat protectant. And it is free from parabens. And can I just say the smell of this line is amazing. The smell itself is 10 out of 10. So now I'm going in with the Herbal Grow leave-in cream, which shapes, adds shine, hydrates, and fights frizz. It's free from parabens and petroleum. I am using this leave-in cream as my leave-in and styler, so I cannot wait to see the results. So again, for styling, I'm doing a flat twist and curl. So I'm flat twisting about 70 to 80% of the way down, and then adding my white perm rod to the ends. So after styling, I did set under my hooded dryer for about 45 minutes, and then I let it air dry for about 3 hours. And here we are with the takedown, and can you see the shine and definition already? So excited for these results. So I did add a little oil to my hand before separating the curls. So I'm going in and stretching the curls, and then I'm going to start separating and fluffing. And here are my final results with the new Mane and Tail Herbal Grow line. Absolutely obsessed with the results and this line, which smells amazing and works amazing. Definitely recommend it. Check it out at your local Target. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.